Alright, we're here at Blue Knob. Doug, he's there. It's Tony. I'm here. Blue Knob kind of sucks today. They lied to us in the very beginning, said that they had a lot more trails open. They only got like 24 trails open now. I mean like 16 trails open. Hopefully our stem bottom bowl, which we came here for, will be open. If not, we're just going to keep skiing and do whatever we do best, which is ski. I'm using Frankie skis. Look at that, Frankie. There they are. Alright, I'm Doug, ready whenever you are.
Yeah, you want to try to go right?
Straight down?
You want to try to go right?
Or you want to go just down and over and then ride the lift back up?
That's fine.
Oh, let's just go right. Fuck it. Go right. I owe Frankie a pole! I bet that shit pretty good. Oh my god! That's why I'm not allowed to ski with poles. I just bent that shit. Frank, sorry, I'll buy you a new pole. Dude, that's the cut that I was talking about, Doug. Huh?
I said I missed it?
Yeah. It was pretty nice though. The reason why I bent my pole is when I came out. What? Oh, we just kind of came up on it. I really didn't see it.